Not everything you wait for is slow. This is SkyTales by her. You stand at the gate, watching the screen, waiting for boarding. It feels quiet, almost still. But behind the aircraft door, a race is happening. Cleaning crews move fast and precise. Seats are checked, trash removed, surfaces wiped. In minutes, the cabin is transformed. Engineers step in next. They don't just look, they observe. A faint sound, a tiny detail, nothing escapes their attention. Fuel is loaded carefully. Distances, weather, backup plans. Yes, all considered. Catering arrives, luggage is aligned below, systems double checked, everything happens together. All perfectly timed. Then, silence. The door opens. Boarding will begin shortly. You walk in, thinking your journey is starting, but in reality, a silent race has just ended perfectly. SkyTales by her, where the quiet moments most action.